So guys, I just built this incredible e-com chatbot that is capable of product recommendation in less than 5 minutes. Just take a quick look at it over here. This is for rice supplements, and if you ask it get a recommendation, it shows you a beautiful carousel of every other product with a nice little glow as well, honestly. And then if you ask it, do you have plant protein, a specific question about a product? Once again, it tells you, yes, we have this much, whatever it is. It gives you the price, it gives you the rating as well. It tells you why it's good for you. It shows you the exact product you asked for. You can ask something a little bit more vague. Do you have something for more energy? It shows you Stim Daddy, the stimulant. And if you click on visit product, it shows you and redirects you to the exact page. So guys, for any of you who use Voiceflow to create chatbots that are capable of product recommendation or some sort of recommendation, you understand how difficult and how long it takes to actually do that. You have to use Streamline connector, you'd have to connect to Airtable perhaps, you'd have to use API calls, then to get the exact JSON for the carousel, it's going to take a while. However, this is less than 5 minutes, guys, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So number one, you need to use something known as Tixey agents, which used to be known as Voiceglow, I believe. So yes guys, sorry, had some technical errors. So when you open Tixey and you create a new agent, you just want to open the Tixey agent. You don't want to do it with Voiceglow. You're going to be greeted by this. And if you can see, it already tells you on the prompt, this is what, let's get you started. This is what I can do in Markdown format. I can show you these different carousels. I can also render YouTube videos and whatnot. And if you go guys to over to prompt, you're going to see that this is not like Voiceglow or Voiceflow, my bad, where you actually have to hard code every single thing. You basically just tell the AI what you want to do and it's going to do exactly that. This software is incredibly powerful. Now you have to know that Tixey is still a lot newer than Voiceflow, so they still do have some issues, but it is still incredibly powerful. So first what we want to do in order to create this very agent that I created, you want to go over to Rice Supplements, their website, and you want to basically import their knowledge base in their website and scrape it into the knowledge base, which you can do over here. So you go knowledge, you add the source, and you go to URL. So ideally what you want to be doing is you go to ricesubs.com and you want to do /sitemap.xml. So what .sitemap.xml is going to do, if you copy this thing and just put it over here, if you can see in the sitemap option, it's going to fetch every single URL. As you can see over here, it fetches all the products. However, this is going to take too long for the video. It's 37 links. So what we're going to do is just be a little bit quicker about it. And I'm going to just quickly just manually import a couple of links. So yes guys, as we can see, all the links have been added. So all we want to do now is you can go over to design. You can make it dark mode if you want. You have a lot of features to play with. You can make it look really good. You can change the avatar over here. So in my specific case, as you can see in design, I changed it to the rice supplement logo. So all you have to do is click over this, upload, and yep, this is the one. You just click enter and it's going to change the avatar. You have the option to change the font name. What I did was specifically I put PT Serif. Another thing guys you want to be doing is you want to uncomment this basically. So this is the custom CSS and this is what actually is going to allow your pictures to render properly when it presents it in the carousel. You can make it red, yellow, and I just want to quickly show you the key features. You can enable tabs guys. So as you can see now you have a lot more interactability. You can track my order, new arrivals. Of course, you're going to have to code it and whatnot, but this is just I believe the true purpose of this comes for us type of people in the automation space. When we essentially reach out to a potential prospect and they show some interest, you can quickly just slap their website onto this and show them a viable working product or a demo. And imagine how impressed they're going to be. So you send them a cold email, let's say in 5 minutes they respond, and within 10 minutes you get back to them like, here, I have this incredible demo, let's get on call. They're going to be so impressed and they're going to be like, okay, this guy knows what he's talking about. You even have openings for Calendly bookings. So in the prompt guys, this is what I really want to get at. For me specifically, all I did was a very simple prompt. I just said, greet the user to rice supplements and You're a friendly, reliable, genius customer care bot delivering efficient solutions from a comprehensive knowledge base. You work for an e-com store, dynamically render carousels for product recommendations, and you can even tell it, guys. So about us, you can say best sellers and product recommendations. So this is what I said, include the following. So I'm basically telling it or prompting it that include these as buttons, as we can see here. So let's see if it works. If we go to save and we reset the agent, as you can see, guys, it comes over here. Okay, what other features are there? You want to be turning this on, the UI engine, so that is what actually allows it to show the buttons, cards, carousels. It's pretty straightforward. We have the knowledge base, tools. You even have features like human handoff, knowledge base search, lead sync. You have a lot of flexibility with this tool. And finally, in settings, you can even, if you go to channels, you can deploy this on WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, email, Instagram, Discord, voice, and Google Business Chat. So yes, guys, as you can see, this is all I've done. This is literally all I've done. In prompt setting, this is all I have. And as I showed you initially, now the setting is gone, but we had a beautiful looking carousel with dynamic property recommendation. So this tool is incredibly powerful, and I really believe that Tixi Agents or Voiceglow is going to be one of the best softwares to use in the future because they're just improving at such incredible rate. Such incredible rate. So yes, guys, I highly recommend you guys to take a look at this website, play around, create some really nice looking demos and just outreach. And you can also watch their YouTube videos. I know they have a lot of functionality, Voiceglow in specific. So yes, guys, I hope you got some value out of this. Let me know if you have any questions, and peace.